Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to bend text in Canva. First of all, please head over here to the Text tab and then drag and drop a heading into your project. Let me just make that a little bit bigger, and I'm also going to center it. And now to bend text in Canva, all you need to do is to head over here to Effects and then choose Curve. And you will see that your text is now perfectly bent, or you could also say curved. Now, luckily, Canva also gives you some more control over your curved text. To manipulate the curve, you can use this curve fader here and adjust the curve to your liking. That's how you bend text in Canva, guys. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.